everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how to make a beautiful poncha design. For that, here I take a 3 strips of interfacing. The width of the strips is 1 inch. Length of the 2 strips is about 4.5 inch. Length of the third strip is 6 inch. Fold the interfacing and cut about 2 mm, leaving half an inch of distance. Do the same thing on the other two. Stick them on piece of fabric with the iron. Cut the extra fabric around the interfacing, leaving half an inch of fabric for the hemming. After hemming around the interfacing, now place them on the poncha. Place the longer interfacing in the middle and the small one on the sides. And do the inner seam alongside the interfacing. Carefully cut the fabric in between the seams. Turn the right side over and iron. Here I take another piece of printed fabric strip which is about 4.5 inch in width. That I am going to use to make a ruffle for the poncha. Attach this ruffle putty to the poncha using another strip of fabric. After attaching the ruffle putty, now I am going to attach these beads in between these gaps and do the side seam to finish it up. This is the finished look of the beautiful stylish poncha. I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.